everyone, I thought we'd do unboxing on the tractor because it's the cleanest area in the shop right now. There's more working this way. So, new channel sponsor again. So, we got a little note. The sponsor is glitgate, is I think how you pronounce their name. They are basically a light manufacturer, from what I know, and they were going to send me some high bay lights for the back shop where the 450 and the Trailmaster is, but they sent me some parking lot lights, so we're going to see if we can make them work out over there, which I think we will be able to. But there's a human error, and we'll open these up and I'll show you basically what's inside of them. I'm gonna find a knife. Still a clean shot. A mess. This little pick will work as sharp. But now these are parking lot lights, and I don't need parking lot lights, but I'm gonna see if I can make them work because I wasn't around when Amazon brought these, and oh yeah, that's big. Oh yeah, these might actually work. Guess I'm gonna have to mount it different, which sucks, but is what it is. This mount? No. Got that. We got a little bag of hardware. Bolts. Got the manual right there. Got a gasket. And then we got the light itself. We got a hex key. It's always nice when manufacturers include. But look at that. That's humongous, guys. And that's another mount. And that's it in there. So I think it goes just like that. And then we get our little bag of hardware. The little bolts, I'm pretty sure, are the ones that go in there. Just like that. Okay, maybe I'm missing something because I only have one hex key. Okay, well I'm gonna check and see in here if there's another one, but we only have one hex key. One of them was, I believe they're the same, but no, it's the same. They don't give you a hex key for those little bolts. So we gotta go get a little hex key, and we're gonna screw these down. I'm gonna take one out. Should have something around here that'll work. But I mean, if they're bright and they work, then I'll go ahead with them. But if they're not bright, then I'm gonna have to talk to glitgate about it. But I'm gonna go next door and see if I can find a hex to fit this. I'll be right back. guys, I gotta go, so I'll make a part 2 of this video. Catch you on the part 2.